Welcome to the listening channel of Peak English. Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a conversation about getting a local SIM card. In this video, you will follow a simple and slow story about Alex and Amelia at a telecom store. You will learn useful telecom vocabulary. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly. So please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. How many gigabytes per month is the data plan they chose? And how much does it cost in euros? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
Amelia, I am so tired. We are walking a lot today. My feet really hurt.
Yes, we are walking a lot. My feet hurt too. Let us find a place to sit down.
But Amelia, I have a big problem.
A big problem? What is the problem? Is it your feet?
No, it is not my feet. It is my phone. Look at my phone. It is not working.
Let me see your phone. Yes, it is not working. You have no internet.
I have no internet at all. I cannot use the map. I cannot check my emails. I cannot do anything without the internet.
Do not worry, Alex. It is a simple problem. Your phone is from our home country. We are traveling in Europe now. You need a local SIM card.
A local SIM card? What is a local SIM card? I do not understand.
A SIM card is a very small chip. It is this small. It goes inside your phone. A local SIM card gives you a phone number in Europe, and it gives you data for the internet.
Data? What is data?
Data is the internet for your phone. When you are outside, you do not have Wi-Fi. You must use data to connect to the internet.
Oh, I see. Data is the internet for my phone, so I need a local SIM card to get data.
Yes, exactly. We need to find a telecom store. Oh, look over there. There is a telecom store right there. The name of the store is O2.
O2? Is O2 a good store?
Yes, O2 is a very good store. O2 and Vodafone are very popular in Europe. Let us go inside and buy a SIM card.
Wait, Amelia.
What is it, Alex?
I am nervous. My English is not very good. I do not know what to say to the staff.
Do not worry, Alex. I am right here with you. Your English is getting better every single day. You just need to practice speaking.
Okay. I will try my best.
Wait, before we go in, I have one important question.
What is your important question?
Is your phone unblocked?
Unblocked? What does unblocked mean?
Unblocked means your phone can use any SIM card. Some phones are locked to only one company. If your phone is locked, you cannot use a European SIM card.
Oh no. Really? How do I check if my phone is unblocked?
Let us check your phone settings. Give me your phone, please.
Here is my phone.
Let me look at the settings. I am checking the network settings now. I have good news. Your phone is unblocked.
Phew. Okay, that is great news. So my phone is unblocked. That means I can use a European SIM card.
Yes, that is right. Are you ready to go inside the store?
Yes, I am ready. Let us go.
Okay, let us go inside.
Alex and Amelia are walking into the telecom store. They will talk to the staff about the SIM card. Please listen carefully to the new vocabulary.
Hello, welcome to O2. How can I help you today?
Hi, we are traveling in Europe for a short time. We need to buy a SIM card.
I see. You need to buy a SIM card. Are you looking for a prepaid SIM card or a contract?
A prepaid SIM card or a contract? What is the difference?
A contract is for a very long time. Usually, a contract is for 1 year or 2 years. You must pay money every month for a long time.
I understand. A contract is for a long time.
Yes, that is right. But a prepaid SIM card is completely different. Prepaid means you pay the money first. You only pay for 1 month. A prepaid SIM card is very good for tourists and travelers.
Oh, I see. Prepaid means you pay first. We are only in Europe for a short time, so we definitely need a prepaid SIM card.
Yes, a prepaid SIM card is perfect for tourists. We have many good prepaid options here.
Thank you very much for explaining. Alex, did you hear that?
Yes, I heard it. We need a prepaid SIM card.
Okay, Alex. Now it is your turn to speak. Go talk to that lady over there. Data plans for the prepaid SIM card.
Me? Are you sure?
Yes, you can do it. I believe in you, Alex. Just speak slowly and clearly.
Okay. I will do it. Hello. Excuse me.
Hello. Welcome to our store. How can I help you today?
Hi. I would like to buy a prepaid SIM card, please.
Of course. A prepaid SIM card. What kind of phone do you have?
I have this phone.
Okay, let me look at it. That is a very nice phone. And is your phone unblocked?
Yes, it is unblocked. My friend checked it outside.
Great! An unblocked phone is perfect for our SIM cards. What do you need the SIM card for? Do you need to make many phone calls? Or do you only need data?
I do not make many phone calls. I mainly need data for the internet. I need to use maps to find places, and I need to send messages to my family.
I understand. You need a good data plan. We have 3 data plans for prepaid SIM cards.
3 plans. Okay.
First, we have the small plan. The small plan gives you 5 gigabytes of data.
5 gigabytes. Is 5 gigabytes a lot of data?
5 gigabytes is good if you only send simple messages. But it is not a lot if you want to watch videos.
I see. What is the next plan?
The next plan is the medium plan. The medium plan gives you 20 gigabytes of data.
20 gigabytes. That sounds much better.
Yes, 20 gigabytes is our most popular data plan. It is great for using maps, checking emails, and social media.
And what is the last plan?
The large plan gives you 50 gigabytes of data. 50 gigabytes is a very big amount of data.
5 gigabytes, 20 gigabytes, or 50 gigabytes. How much does the 20 gigabyte plan cost?
The 20 gigabyte plan costs €15 per month.
15 euros. Okay, 15 euros is a very good price. I will take the 20 gigabyte plan, please.
Excellent choice. The 20 gigabyte plan for €15.
Oh, wait. I have one more very important question.
Of course. What is your question?
Today I am here in France, but next week I will travel to Germany, and then I will travel to Italy. Can I use this French SIM card in Germany and Italy? Or do I have to buy a new SIM card when I go there?
That is a very good question. You do not have to buy a new SIM card. We have a special policy called Roam Like at Home.
Roam like at home? What does that mean?
To roam means to use your phone in a different country. In Europe, all telecom companies have a special rule. When you buy a SIM card in one European country, you can use it in other European countries without any extra cost.
Really? Without any extra cost.
Yes, exactly. There are absolutely no extra fees. You buy this SIM card here in France today, and your 20 gigabytes of data will work perfectly in Germany. It will also work perfectly in Italy. You roam in Europe just like you are at home.
Wow, that is amazing. So I only pay 15 euros one time, and I get 20 gigabytes of data for all my travel in Europe.
That is absolutely correct.
Thank you. That makes me very happy.
You are very welcome. Can I see your passport, please? We always need a passport to register a prepaid SIM card.
Yes, here is my passport.
Thank you. Let me type your information into the computer. I am entering your name and passport number. Just one moment, please. Okay, everything is ready now. Here is your new SIM card.
Thank you. How do I make it work in my phone?
It is very easy. Let me show you how to do it. First, we must open your phone. We take out your old SIM card from your home country, and we put the new European SIM card inside.
Okay. Old SIM card out, new SIM card in.
Now, please turn on your phone.
I am turning it on right now.
Your phone will ask for a PIN code.
A PIN code? Where is the PIN code?
Look at this small plastic card. The PIN code is printed right here on the back. It is a 4-digit number.
I see it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will type it into my phone now.
Perfect. Now press the OK button.
It is loading. Oh, look at the top corner of the screen. I see the signal bars. I have 4G. The internet is finally working.
Wonderful! Your phone is now fully connected to the network. You have your 20 gigabytes of data ready to use. And remember, you can roam like at home in Germany and Italy.
Thank you so much for all your help. You explained everything very slowly and clearly.
It was my absolute pleasure. Enjoy your trip in Europe.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Goodbye.
Amelia. Amelia.
Alex, you look very happy. Did you get the SIM card?
Yes, I did. I did it all by myself.
Great job, Alex. I am so proud of you. So tell me, what did you buy?
I bought a prepaid SIM card. I chose the medium data plan.
How much data did you get on that plan?
I got 20 gigabytes of data per month.
And how much did it cost you?
It cost exactly 15 euros.
20 gigabytes for 15 euros? That is a very good deal.
And Amelia, I learned something amazing today.
Really? What did you learn?
I learned about a rule called roam like at home.
Roam like at home? What is that rule?
The nice lady taught me. It means we can use this data in other countries. We bought the SIM card here in France, but we can use it in Germany and Italy too. There are absolutely no extra fees.
Wow, that is wonderful news. Now we do not have to buy a new SIM card in Germany.
Exactly. We will save a lot of money and time.
Let us review what we learned today, Alex.
Good idea. Let us review the new words.
First, you need an unblocked phone.
Yes, unblocked means it can take any SIM card.
Second, tourists usually buy a prepaid SIM card.
Yes, prepaid means you pay for 1 month. It is not a long contract.
Third, you choose a data plan.
Yes, data is the internet for your phone when you have no Wi-Fi.
Fourth, roam like at home.
Yes, Roam like at home means using data across Europe for free.
And finally, you activate the SIM with a PIN code.
Yes, the PIN code is the 4 numbers on the plastic card.
You remembered everything perfectly. Your English was amazing today, Alex.
Thank you, Amelia. I was very nervous at first, but speaking English is not so scary.
No, it is not scary at all. People are usually very helpful. Now that we have internet again, what should we do?
I am very hungry. Let me use my new data to find a restaurant.
Great idea. Use that new internet.
Okay, I am searching for food nearby. Oh, I found a very good place. It is just down the street.
Let us go. I am starving.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How many gigabytes per month is the data plan they chose? And how much does it cost in euros? Did you get it right? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. Writing complete sentences helps you practice real English output. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but practical tips for everyday situations. I will keep uploading videos like this. So, if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.